he has a small commentary. Vishnu Chakravarti Thakur, he's speaking here, verse 47. Of course, the verse is about the Labdhamana Mahatmana. It says they took on this man, this pride, this self-respect, because Krishna was honoring them. Then because Krishna is such a lover that each gopi felt that they were alone with Krishna. They didn't even see the other gopis. This is his mystic power. Oh, Krishna! Krishna's only alone. Krishna's only with me. I came here with hundreds and thousands of other gopis, and there was only one Krishna a moment ago. And I was thinking, how will I dance with Krishna? How will I be with Krishna? And all of a sudden, here I am. It's just me. It's only me and Krishna. So each gopi thought that, and they thought, oh, acha, Krishna's only with me. He's favoring me, and I don't see it, the other gopis. Oh, I guess I'm special. So then Krishna was thinking, acha? But he was expanded with each gopi, and each gopi thought they were special, and then Krishna, poof! Then, although they couldn't see each other before, when Krishna was individually with them, when Krishna disappeared, then they opened their eyes, Then they saw thousands of other gopis everywhere, and no Krishna. If you try to think and see this thing in your meditation, it's quite extraordinary. We read, actually go there and be in a swarup, and there, and the level of the Bhagavat, and the levels of the Lila, Rasa Lila, are so infinite, and go deeper and deeper according to the position one is in, and the qualification, adhikar one has, and the introduction and the access one has to Krishna's pastimes, which is facilitated by the guru and the diksha process, and the individual practice of bhajan and surrender, and the divine dissension of divine grace and mercy from above. So it's like, how deep can you go? If you put on one scuba tank, you can go pretty deep. If you put on 3 tanks or 4 tanks, you can really go deep. But don't go too deep, or you run out. If you have 4, you can only go 2 tanks down. You have to come up 2 tanks.